What it do, YouTube? You've landed on 20k to 100k trading with one and only Arthur Heavy Crypto. You know what I mean? So this is a kind of series that we're gonna be looking at crypto opportunities and stuff like that. As you can see, I'm trading live right here on Bluefin. By the way, the link is going to be in the description below as well if you wanna join this challenge. You know what I mean? So it's free, everyone can join, and you guys will be able to copy my trades. And so far you can see I've got Bitcoin position right here open, and we up like 37% in profit, and Ethereum position up like 73% in profit. So this is what we're doing from today onwards, and we're gonna be trading live. You know what I mean? So don't miss out our live sessions and stuff like that. And without any further ado, guys, let's just jump right into it. We're gonna take a look at technical analysis and stuff like that, and we're gonna find opportunities as well. You know what I mean? So here we're gonna be trading live. We wanna have like real traders who really wanna make some cash with futures trading and shit like that, because we're gonna be trading every day. This is some kind of day trading, if you know what I mean. So let's take a look at some opportunities right here. And for those who are asking what indicator are you using to find these profitable opportunities and stuff like that, because you guys already asked me on Telegram, and I'm using Signal Strike, the best indicator that I've been using this whole time right here. As you can see, this is called Signal Strike, and this is an indicator that gives me this buy and sell signals in real time. As you can see, looking at the weekly right here on the price of Bitcoin, you can see that we got this sell signal and the price is slightly moving down, and we got the sell signal on the 4 hours. So that's when I entered this. That's when I entered this position, as you can see, and we up like 39%. Know what I mean? So I took this signal right here. This was like 3 days ago. I took this signal, I nailed it all the way down here. You know what I mean? So yeah, these signals are running in real time, and the link to Signal Strike obviously is going to be in the description below as well. And I just wanted to show you what's going on with this challenge, and we're gonna be streaming every time talking about crypto and stuff like that, and find opportunities. As you can see, Bitcoin keeps on going down and our position are going crazy, and right now we have like 4k in profit, and Ethereum of course 9k in profit. You know what I mean? So all the links gonna be in the description below as well. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for daily opportunities, and yeah, all the good stuff. You know what I mean? So therefore, guys, I'll send the video. Love and peace. Just wanted to shout out to this series that we have started today, and you're gonna be we're gonna be going live every time. So make sure you join my Telegram group. That's where I'll be announcing when we're going live, and whenever I find opportunities and stuff like that. And of course, we're gonna be still doing all the arbitrage and shit like that live on this channel. You know what I mean? So my name is Arthur, guys. Therefore, I'll send the video. Love and peace, guys, and cheers, guys.